Little storyteller.
A little spaceship, shaped like a bone and painted bright blue, zoomed through the sparkly stars. Inside was Astro-Pup, a brave dog with floppy ears and a wagging tail. He was on his way to a very special planet. Astro-Pup's spaceship landed gently on a field of soft green grass. Above him, the sky was a cheerful yellow. Suddenly, a group of fluffy white creatures hopped by. They had big sunny smiles and little golden rays shining all around them. "Hello!" barked Astro-Pup happily. One of the Sunny-Bunnies giggled. "Welcome to Weather Planet. It's going to be a sunny day." A big blue creature with gentle eyes floated into view. Water sparkled as it moved. "Hello, little pup," it rumbled softly. "I am a rain whale. We are getting ready for our parade." More rain whales joined, their skins shimmering with tiny raindrops. The Sunny Bunnies and rain whales lined up, ready to march. The parade began. The Sunny Bunnies hopped in bright, cheerful lines, making sunny patterns in the air. Then came the rain whales, floating gracefully and making soft tinkling sounds like gentle rain. Their formations looked like fluffy clouds. Astro-Pup watched with wide, happy eyes. This was the best parade ever. As the parade ended, a rainbow arched across the yellow sky. The Sunny Bunnies and rain whales cheered. Astro-Pup barked with joy. He learned that even though the sun and the rain are different, they can be beautiful together, just like the Sunny Bunnies and the rain whales. It's wonderful when everyone, big or small, sunny or rainy, can have fun together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.